Hello, lovely people, and the keen developers, or would be future developers. So, today's topic is very interesting. Here, this is a program about this program will allow user to enter any animal name, and if you're gonna enter the animal name, then it will download the image of that animal and save it in the directory with the name of the animal we will enter. So let me just run this program first and show you what this program does. Let's say run. We have pressed the enter key. Now here it is asking enter the name of the animal. So let's suppose I have written cat. Okay, and press enter. So it is giving us the message image of cat has been downloaded and saved, and you can see it. The name we have entered, it is downloaded and saved the image of the same name we have entered. Let's open it. Let's double click it. So here is the cat image. You can see that it has downloaded the cat image. So let's just run it one more time and try some other image. Let's run it. Okay, enter the name of the animal. Suppose I have written lion. So image of lion has been downloaded and saved. Same name we have entered. You can see that. Okay, so this is a very interesting program. In this program, I am using Unsplash API here to download the animals images, to download and save it. So this API has some limited requests, and if we exceeded those requests, then this program will not run. So if we wanted to run this program extensively, then you people do need to register for an API key, and then you can use it, extensively anywhere. So, and one more thing, in order to run this program, you have to install Pillow library, PIL library, using pip, and then you have to import it, and then you are good to go. Okay, so I hope you find this program helpful and useful. If you guys like it, then please do like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. It will motivate me. Thank you for watching.